It's official, Christmas is coming. And now that we're just a few weeks away, I wanted to put together a list of 8 items that are each under $50 that I think are great gift items for a photographer, a videographer, maybe even something you want to add to your own Christmas list. Either way, this is a great list, and stick around for some awesome budget-friendly gift items. First gift on the list is a multi-tool from Small Rig, a brand I highly recommend. It's got some Allen keys, it's got a flathead, it's got a Phillips. It's a nice metal construction, it's very solid. It's a great design to just slip in your bag and carry with you. When you buy it, it does come with a little bag, and that actually comes in this other zippered pouch as well. So they give you some nice items to carry it if you want. This comes in right around $20, so it's really not a bad investment for a little set of tools. Next on the list, and I've talked about this before, is a top handle. Guys, if you don't have a top handle, it is so handy having one of these. You can just slip it on the top of your camera in the hot shoe mount and you screw it on. It comes with a little Allen key. You can tighten it on so it's not going to come off. It's a great way to just carry your camera, keep it secure. These come in around anywhere from 20 to 40 bucks depending on, again, the kind you get. Next on the list, it's very practical, but it's a tech bag. It's something that I use to store batteries, charging cables. Currently I have my Insta360 X3 in here. Just a great thing to keep all your little pieces of gear organized in your camera bag. It just pops right in. Being able to keep your camera bag clutter-free and organized will help you be more efficient when you're out on a shoot. So I highly recommend something like this. It's 10 bucks off Amazon. You can't go wrong. Keep your gear organized. Next on the list is the Monfrotto mini tripod. It's actually what I have my mic on here. Let me unscrew it real quick. All right, here it is. It's a great little tripod. It opens up. You can push this button and this top piece will bend over. I love this for a lightweight vlogging setup. It's a great piece of gear, coming in anywhere from 25 to 30 bucks. I recommend it. It's a good little tripod. Again, I use it for vlogging. Right now I'm using it as a little stand for my mic. So lots of great versatile things you can do with this little tripod. All right, next on our list is a camera case from Pelican. This is what I use. Pelican is a high quality brand. They make awesome travel cases for cameras, very durable, high quality stuff. This is a great case because it's got your memory card slots behind it. On one side, you can put your mini SD cards. It's got a rubber seal on the inside edge so you can clamp it shut. And it's basically waterproof. Now, I definitely wouldn't go diving with it, but why would you go diving with a memory card case anyway? Get one of these, keep your memory cards safe. These come in around 30 bucks, so not bad for a high quality camera card case. All right, next up, if you or the person you are shopping for likes to drink coffee or always has drinks around them while they're working like I do when I'm editing, then they would probably love one of these Filmmaker coaster sets. There are 6 coasters in this set, and it's basically a production slate, something you'd see on a movie set, and just kind of a cool little aesthetic that you can have in your desk for a drink, or up to 6 drinks if you have 6 drinks at one time when you're editing, which sometimes I definitely need up to 6 coffees at least while I'm editing. So again, a great little gift. Comes in around 18 bucks off Amazon, a great stocking stuffer, and I think they'll enjoy it. Okay, next on our list is a little light. This is from a brand called Ulanzi. I think that's how you say it, and it's an RGB light basically that comes in around 30 bucks off Amazon. It's definitely very bright. I would say it's great for, product photography. What's cool about it is it does have different settings. It's got, let me see if I can get through it here. So we got green, then there is a like a police, like cop car setting where you have the lights flashing blue and red. Something kind of cool, maybe if you're doing a short film, you can adjust your Kelvin all the way more to a warm spectrum. Definitely a handy little light to keep in your camera bag. Comes in around 30 bucks off Amazon. It's got a cold shoe mount here, so you could just clamp this right on top of your camera and you are good to go. I would definitely recommend something like this for a budget-friendly little light. Okay, coming in at number 8 on the list is a vertical tripod plate. Sounds simple, but honestly, I love having one of these on hand. These are great for using your nice camera to shoot vertical content for Instagram Reels, TikTok, YouTube Shorts, whatever it might be. It's just a great way for you to screw your camera on. It makes getting that vertical content really nice and easy. Solid metal construction. I think this is like between 15 and 20 bucks off Amazon, depending on what you get. But very simple, but I would recommend having one of these on hand. I use it all the time. Alright guys, all the links for these items are listed down below in the description. Check them out. I am an Amazon affiliate as well, so anything you purchase does give a kickback to the channel, which I appreciate. I hope this helped. Let me know in the comments any gift items you think I missed, or things that are also great things to give to a photographer or videographer. And Merry Christmas. I hope you guys have a great holiday season, and I'll look forward to seeing you guys in the next one.